Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how can we save property on a desired path node using Dialog itself without any script, without any backend logic. Okay. First I will show you what I'm really talking about. Let me just delete this. Okay. I'll just I have created one simple component. In this component I have one image and then one alt tag. Okay, let me just put one image here and one alt tag, and then I will save this. Now let me go to CRXT. Let me just open this path in CRXT. I will refresh it, and then if you see this my image, this node, if you see, the alt tag is created on my image node. Okay, and then there is a resource created for image. What I want is this alt tag should be created on cover image node, not on my image. Okay, if I'll just show you the component, this is my component, and this is the node for my cover image, and this is for alt. Okay, and what I want is this alt should be stored on cover image node. Okay, what I need to do to achieve this, on this alt only, where we have a specified name, instead of just giving name as alt, because I want to create under cover image, so I'll just copy it, and on my name itself I will write slash. Since like whenever we have we submit Dialog, right, it's a post call only, so on this path the node will be created, as in this property will be saved. Okay, let me save it. I will just delete this and let me refresh the page. I will configure the same component again. Let me okay, I will go to the same path and then we'll refresh it. This time you see there is no alt property created here, but it's created here. Okay, so whenever we want to change to save any property on desired path, what we need to do, we just need to give the name path, basically that path on which we want to create that property. So the last will be property, and until last before that will be the path. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much.